Hey guys, it's Charm J, and I am back with another unboxing, or should I say unbagging, because this bag didn't come in a box, it came in a bag, but it doesn't even matter. Today we're going to be unbagging the Kisslock frame bag in Crystal Signature Jacquard. This bag is so pretty, guys. It is full of gems, it is sparkly, it is all things that glitter and gold. I mean, just look at it. Look at it. And not for nothing, but this bag keeps selling out. So if you got one, shout out to you. Now look, we're just taking off all the protective gear that they send the bag in to make sure that you get it in perfect condition, because nobody wants to spend money and have a bag with scratches or anything like that. And now here you're just watching me check out the bag. I am admiring the bag. I hope you are admiring the bag. I mean, just look at it. Look at it. That Kisslock is so different and unique and timeless. Not much to be said. And here, of course, they send a dust bag for you to put your bag in to protect it. And we just got some extra hardware in case you want to change how you wear the bag. So you could switch it up. You could throw it over your shoulder, or you could hold it, in your hands. And that snap on the bag, I like it. So now we're just looking at the bag once again, because who doesn't like to look at shiny bags full of crystals all over? There's crystals everywhere. Even the bottom is full of crystals. Even the bottom. That's crazy work.
Wait. Stay right there.
And we're just gonna look inside the bag once again, because I just want to. Gonna take out all the filling of the bag. That helps keep the bag with its shape. And thank God that they stuffed the bag pretty good. Wait a minute. Don't eat that. That is not a treat. I repeat, that is not a treat. And there you have it, guys. You can fit your wallet, your keys, your phone, your pepper spray, because it'll be some weirdos out there. But girl, look at that. You got a zipper if you want to put your credit cards in there. And just some cards in there to let you know that it's real, it's authentic, it's not fake. And there you have it, guys. Bye.